Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this upcycling tutorial, I'll explain 3 very easy methods I use to alter the sleeves on dresses and tops, altering them to fit or transforming them into something more contemporary to suit my style. One of my favourite sleeve transformations is to create a puffy sleeve by using shirring elastic. If you've never used shirring elastic before, next time you're at the haberdashery store, buy some because you'll never look back. I bought this top thrifting for a couple of dollars. I thought it would suit me better with a short puffy sleeve. It was the perfect shirring elastic project. The first step was to cut off the long sleeves and sew a new sleeve hem. Then, with shirring elastic wound around the bobbin and normal cotton thread at the top of my sewing machine, I sew a row of shirring elastic, lining up the new sleeve hem with one of the marked guides on the sewing machine. Using one of the guides, or even just sewing a foot of width from the sleeve hem, means I get a straight line of elastic. The shirring elastic bunches up the fabric as you're sewing, creating an elasticated hem. It's that simple. And here it is finished. I even sewed 2 rows of shirring elastic around the waist area to nip it in and give it a more flattering silhouette. Another of my favourite sleeve alteration methods is to use elastic as you would to create an elastic waist on pants or a skirt. First, I measure how far I want the elastic from the sleeve hem. For this project, to make the job easy, I use the width of a ruler as my guide. Then, measure and cut 2 lengths of elastic, one for each arm. Then, as you would when creating an elastic waist for pants or a skirt, mark the half and quarter segments on the sleeve and the half and quarter segments on the elastic. Pin these segments in place and it's over to the sewing machine. If you want a more detailed tutorial on how to do this, check out my video where I joined a top and a skirt together to make a dress. I'll put a link in the comments below. And here it is finished. This is a simple way to transform tops you buy thrifting or upcycle old tops in your wardrobe. And finally, I've saved the easiest until last, a simple elasticated sleeve hem. I use this method on long and short sleeves, and it's handy if you like to be able to push long sleeves up and want them to stay in place. The first step is to create a new sleeve hem that's wide enough to thread the elastic through. Remember to leave an opening where you'll start and end the elastic. At the beginning, I add a safety pin so it glides through the new hem tunnel, and I safety pin the end in place so it doesn't follow it through. Once finished, you sew the 2 ends of the elastic together and then sew up the opening. And that's it. I've done this so often that I can complete an elastic sleeve hem in about 20 minutes. And there you have it, 3 very easy ways to alter sleeve hems on tops, dresses, jackets, and even jumpers. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please give me a thumbs up. I upload videos weekly, so subscribe for more sewing and upcycling inspiration. See you next time.